what to automate or not to automate? I think the most important thing to remember is if you try and automate everything, you will end up creating something that is by its very definition bang average. The way LLMs work is that they literally aggregate as much information about a subject that you fed into it as possible, and they create the best version based on all of the stuff that has been before. And it doesn't take massive risks. It gets stuff wrong. It just inevitably causes you oftentimes way more work than it would have been for you to write it originally. The best way to use AI is to feed it at the right times to take that next step in the process. So as far as workflows go, if we know exactly what a client is looking to do, if we know exactly what their business goals are, who their audience is, they have that information we can put together. We either have their tone of voice guide or we've created one for ourselves. We know the ultimate point of the campaign. We can feed that into an AI agent to say, right, here is the structure of the work that we want to put together. Here is the format that we want to put together. Show me how all of these different building blocks, don't think for yourself, but just show me how to put this into a better structure, assign a word count, find out exactly where the keywords will make sense. It's building that plan so that you're basically just using the human expert to fill in the gaps. That's really where producing content really, I think, on the production side, where AI really shows its true value. As far as the actual reporting, I think the most important thing that AI will do for content over the next, through 2026 and onwards will be giving us the analysis of the performance of our content and being able to automate the process of knowing exactly what the point of the next piece that we're going to produce is going to be, even before we've done it, or even before we've even had a chance to think about it, and have that drop directly into our content team's inboxes so that we can then work it into a proper full-blown strategy. That's going to be the stuff that once we're working on a lot of stuff internally that I don't want to spoil, but that's the kind of thing that's really going to be a game changer for our workflows.